12 don'ts are precautions in typing. Don't number 1. Don't sit wrong position. Don't number 2. Don't type with wrong hand position. Don't number 3. Don't let the fingers move away from the home row. Don't number 4. Don't talk to others, especially in early days of typing. Don't number 5. Don't be hard at pressing the keys. Don't number 6. Don't type capital letter with same hand. Don't number 7. Don't look at the keyboard. Don't number 8. Don't feel pressure, just be calm. Don't number 9. Don't press backspace and delete key. Try to type accurate. Don't number 10. Don't focus on speed instead of accuracy. Don't number 11. Don't type long numbers from Qwerty digits part. Don't number 12. Don't miss typing games for becoming professional touch typist.